days ago and decided to go natural for the first time in years. So my complete head of hair is natural, but what I discovered was that it was extremely dry. So I tried a couple of the different products that were listed on YouTube, recommended by some of the natural hair care experts. They did nothing. My hair looked a hot mess. So what I decided to do was try Kimmy's recipe for a leave-in conditioner, but I modified it slightly. So what I did was I shampooed my hair first with the one and only Argan oil shampoo. I ordered that from Amazon. And then I decided after I did that I was going to make the recipe for the leave-in conditioner. So I used the Kinky-Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner as her recipe called for. And instead of aloe vera gel, or what does she call it, juice, I used the recipe that I found on YouTube for flaxseed gel. I had some of that in the refrigerator, so I used that. So 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, 2 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of Not Today. Then 2 teaspoons of Barlean's coconut oil, which I also ordered off Amazon.com, and 2 teaspoons of one and only Argan oil. And I whipped that all up using the little whipper here, right there. And I put it on my hair, following the standard instructions. And I will show you in the morning what the results are. But so far, it feels really good. Those are all the products that I use to make the leave-in conditioner. And so far, my hair feels great. I hardly got any hair loss. Let me just show you the part. This is all the hair that came out. Right there. That's it. That's all that came out of my head. So I think that was really great. But we'll see what happens. I will add to this video in the morning, splice it together so that you can see it. And I'll show you what it looks like. So here are the results. I took my hair down, and as you can see, it's very springy and it has a lot of body. The texture, let's bring that in closer. The texture, you know, it kept the crimps, the shape of the twists very well. So this is kind of amazing, and it doesn't look fuzzy like the conditioner I used the other day. So there you go. This worked out pretty well. So I think I will use this method again.